scoop it.
Monday is a day of grounding. It's the quiet, intentional breath I take before I travel and the noise of the week beginning. This week is particularly full. I'm heading out to Las Vegas Market. So today is about prepping the house and setting my internal compass. Baking at home with my littles feels like the ultimate luxury. There's something about the chaos of the flower covered kitchen that reminds me of what actually matters. This time with them feels so special, yet so fleeting.
In here, let it kind of cool down a little bit. But then we're gonna sift it.
That's enough. That's enough.
Just tiny little. Okay. Okay. And then, but you gotta keep it in the bowl. Okay. And go like that. Okay. Can I shake it? That's too much.
Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good.
I catch myself wanting to freeze these moments. The chaos can drive me a little bit crazy, I'll admit, but I know it's only for a short season. I want to enjoy the time I have creating meaningful rituals like this that they'll hopefully remember long after the kitchen is clean. Lately, I've been reflecting on the gap between how I source for my clients and how I sometimes source for myself. We've all fallen into that convenience trap. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Ordering something quickly online only to have it arrive and realize it's not the right scale or it's very poor quality. And it's honestly because I didn't read the fine print. I've decided that this year I'm bringing that same professional rigor into my own four walls. I want to be incredibly mindful of every single item that I bring into my sanctuary. If I wouldn't stake my reputation on it for a client, then why would I bring it into my own home? In my profession, we attend different vendor trade markets and we source products for our clients and we vet the vendors. So I want to bring that into my own personal family life. Then the shift at market. I'm immersed in the residential world, looking for the threads that connect current trends to the real lived in projects on my desk. Sourcing isn't just about picking what looks good in a catalog, it's a rigorous tactile process. For my clients, whether it's a custom home or a large scale hospitality project, I need to meet the vendors. I need to sit in the chairs, feel the weight of the hardware, and touch the grain of the leather. I'm looking for integrity. I'm looking for pieces that have a soul and tell a story, because that is what eventually gives a room its energy.
I know. So they come in every.
And we now basically
That's making sure that you take them.
I just got back from the Las Vegas market and I wanted to give you a little recap of kind of what I was thinking, my thoughts. First of all, it was a really quick trip. We flew in Wednesday morning, got there at about 9. The market's really close to the airport. So we just zoomed over to the market. We were there all day. We went and grabbed some donuts. I saw them on Instagram and I've been wanting to try them. They have these creme brulee donuts that I've been wanting to try. So they're really good. I do think they were a little overhyped, and then we just went back to the airport, flew home. So we were able to see everything that we needed to see. I have been before, so it was easy for me to kind of navigate and say, okay, let's go to these, 20 spots real quick and check out these showrooms. So that was really good. And yeah, kind of what I was noticing trend-wise, I was a little disappointed only because I was kind of hoping there would maybe be a little more color. I did, from the place that we went, I did at least get to see some color, but I was kind of hoping to see more color. So that was a little disappointing, but there was some fun waves. It kind of felt like in the residential world, it was just a little more pulled back. Whereas in hospitality, it's more fun and colorful and creative. Just a lot of kind of neutral, boring, not boring, but just very neutral monotone palettes. So I think design has been kind of trending that way for the last couple of years, but I'm really excited about colors. So I did find some colorful, fun things, but overall, always good to go. I really enjoy kind of spreading my time up at different markets. So I'll go to Chicago, New York, kind of all around just to see the different markets, to see what's happening in different sectors. So commercial, hospitality, and residential. I think that makes you a very more well-rounded designer. I think we found some really good pieces that we can use in some projects that we're working on right now.
That and he got a bike.
I want to encourage you to look at your space with that same level of care. Know where you are sourcing that ceramic bowl. Think about the journey your linens took to get to your bed. Are they sourced from a fair trade workshop with integrity? Or are they disposable items that lack a future? This is why I'm so deeply committed to the linens we create at Thread by Eden. I love using them in my own home because I know their story. I know they were made with care. It's not about having the grandest house on the block, it's about leading with intention. It's about taking care of the pieces that you do have and choosing quality that won't go out of style. That is where true comfort lives.